Hello guys, welcome to Blockchain Basics. In today's videos, we will see the price prediction of Dogecoin. First of all, we will see the launching date of the Dogecoin. From this article published by Binance, if we see the total tokenomics is 550 billion, 4% allocated to the launch pool, and 9% for market, and 72% for community, and 5% for liquidity. This is the chart shown by Binance, in which you can see the community airdrop is very large percentage, which is 72%. Another article published by Binance, we see the launch date is 26th of August, 12 UTC. Now, as you can see, I predicted the total number of token supply is 582 billion, but the announcement was 550 billion, which is nearly same. Now let's talk about the price prediction of Dogecoin. If I see the total number of tokens is 550 billion, and we have to calculate the expected market price for the token. If I calculate, then the nearby price will be from $0.0015 to $0.0025. This is the price range. It is a minimum to maximum. Now let's talk about how to maximize your profits from the Dogecoin airdrop. If I see the Notcoin chart, if you see the launching price was $0.01 and it declined to nearly 50% in 2 weeks and then jumped 4 times in 2 weeks. So you can expect similar patterns on the Dogecoin. You can sell off all the Dogecoins on launch date, and after that to hold for 2 weeks and then again buy Dogecoin, and after that hold for 2 weeks and again sell Dogecoin. This is how you can maximize the Dogecoin profit. Some article also suggested that the Dogecoin price may be $0.06 to $0.08, but this is to be noted that the post listing, this price can be the post listing. This can be after 1 year, after 2 year, no matter. This price is trending on the Twitter, so don't fall on these traps. If I calculate on the market cap for this price, then it is nearly 33 billion. But if I see the market cap of Telegram, then it is 30 billion. So the price of total market cap of Dogecoin is more than the market cap of Telegram, but it is not possible, because if I see a shop, if the price of the shop is 10 lakhs, someone say that one biscuit in the shop is 20 lakhs. This is not possible, because the price of the shop is equal to the summation of all the goods available in the shop. This is how market cap is calculated. Now at the end, I will say you can earn, if you have nearly 10,000 Dogecoin, then you can earn nearly 1500 rupees. If you hold and I showed you the trick and use that trick, then you can earn nearly 3000 rupees with 10,000 of Dogecoin. At the end, I will say use that 3000 or 1500 rupees in your skill set and earn more money from it. Don't eat all the money. Don't use the money in your gadgets, in your daily stuffs. Use that money in your skill set and improve your skill set. That is the only way you can generate more money in future. Thank you so much, and subscribe to this channel, and also comment and like the videos if you like. Thank you so much for watching.